Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here with yet another awesome spelt challenge. This time we are doing a belly fat blasting challenge. You're gonna love it. Welcome to day one. Let's get started. All right, jumping right into set one. Our first exercise is an open and closed torso twist. All right, I have a nice, strong, open stance. We're not opening up our rib cage. Close that rib cage. We're gonna close to one side, open, and then the other. So like a torso twist, we're just engaging our arms as well. If you prefer just doing a normal torso twist, you can do that as well, or any of the torso twists I've showed you in the past. If not, boom, close, hand to hand, open, not opening up our rib cage, control. All right, and then the other side. Breathing, you can sync your breath with this exercise. So inhale, exhale, inhale, open, exhale, close. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it off. Very good. Next we have an oblique reach. All right, one hand up, one hand down. We're gonna reach towards the floor and then reach up towards the sky. All right, very good. If you want to do a different variation, you can do hands behind your head. All right, just up and then one side. All right, very good. Or you can keep both your hands down and just reach for the ground. If not, here we go. One up, one down. Very good. And here as well, remembering to close our rib cage. We're not like this, all right? It's kind of easy to reach like that, but boom, lock it in. Super important for spine health. All right, we're gonna switch to the other side in 3, 2, 1, and other way. Very good. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth. And don't scrunch those shoulders, right? Push those shoulders away from your ears, all right? We're not like this. Boom. Awesome job. Inhale, exhale. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and center, shake it out. Very good. Next we have a squat to side punch, so feet are hip width apart. All right, fighting hands. We're going to squat, up, twist, and punch. Squat, up, twist other way, and punch. Very good. Boom. Now when you do those side punches, I want you to use your entire body. We're not just throwing our arms side to side. Twist, 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 boom. Using your core muscles to really pack that punch, all right, and deliver that punch. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Ending with a hip hinge. All right, so we're going to press our hips back. All right, and hinge at the hips. Nice straight back, nice core, strong engaged core, a little bend in the knees. All right, and then you're gonna come up. You're gonna have your hands out to the side, behind your head, whatever feels more natural to you, all right? We're using our core muscles and our back muscles, which our back muscles are part of our core muscles, all right, to come up and down with intention. Everything engaged. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, release and celebrate. Set 1 is done. Big breath. We're going right into set 2. Awesome job. Set 2, starting with our open, close, torso twist. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Oblique reach one side. Let's get it. Switching in 3, 2, 1, other side. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Squat to side punch. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Shake it out, hip hinge. Finishing strong, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Come up, squeeze, and release. Very good. 2 sets. Done and dusted. 1 more to go. Big breath. Open, close, torso twist. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Oblique reach one side. Let's get it. Switching in 3, 2, 1, other side. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Squat to side punch. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Shake it out, hip hinge. Finishing strong, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Come up, squeeze, and release. Very good. And there we have it. Set 1 done and dusted. 3 sets of your full core workout. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below. And tomorrow we have day 2 with Coach Greg right here on our channel. I hope to see you there.